Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a super fun squeeze effects on your photo using Digen AI. It's really easy and you don't need any advanced editing skills, just your phone and a few minutes. Okay, let's get started. First, you will need the Digen AI app. If you don't have it yet, just head over to the Google Play Store and search for Digen AI and then just download it. Once it's installed, just open the app and log in with your Google account. The best part, you will actually get 300 free credits just for signing up. So you can try out a bunch of effects without paying anything. Okay, once you're logged in, just go ahead and tap the create button, this one. Just tap on it. And then just upload your photo. This one, just tap on this picture icon like this and then just upload your photo. And once your photo uploaded, just tap on effects, this one, and then just scroll to the list until you find the squeeze effect. This one, just tap on it, and once you're done, just tap generate. And okay, like this, Digen AI already create your photo into a squeeze effects video. And okay, if you like the result, you can just download the video by tap on the download button. And okay, that's it. In just a few steps, you have learned how to create a squeezy effects using Digen AI. It's super simple, super fun. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.